Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm in Clearwaters, Florida, and I'm at Johnny B's Barbecue. Prices looks right.
Let's go, thank you.
Alright guys, we got a smokers filled up. Right now, can't open it. You know, he just got it, the meat on, so that is a 2 meat plate. And this is a dark meat barbecue chicken sandwich.
I enjoy the times of low and slow is the way to go. That's what my granddaddy taught me. So I understand that John B's Barbecue has came here. We have wanted to be a roadside barbecue for a long time. Nobody could start it through my generation, so I started it through the family. And my brother, he was the name John B's Barbecue. He passed away, and so I named the business after him. And enjoying the moments of every person that come up here and want to get some good food at John B's, man. You don't know what you're missing. I've been in business now 5 years, but on Google 2 years. John B's Barbecue. You can find me on Google johnbsbarbecue.com. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all those good things to enjoy the food and watch the views that I have on there. We're open Wednesday through Sunday from 11 to 7. Thank y'all for your support. We have started this business from the ground up. I built this from my boat trailer. I enjoyed it. I built this grill, everything on this trailer. Y'all come out here and support it. Come get some of this low and slow is the way to go, baby. Low and slow. Phone number is 727-619-8625. The address is 4629 22nd Avenue North in Pinellas Park. Please, y'all come out and enjoy. I do catering. It depends on what kind of meats you want. I do a 3 meat platter. I do everything for 10 to 12 to 100 people. Please come out and enjoy. It's $20 a platter, so you come out and enjoy it, and that's how much it'll be for catering each person. So thank you for your time and thank you for your energy. John B's Barbecue.
I'm putting in the hard work, and hard workers deserve all their props and perks. I'm putting in the hard work. In Gang still a minister of